guys, welcome to my channel. So today is day 1 of my 21-day challenge. I'm going to be bringing you guys along through my intense 21-day diet. No sugar, no salt. I'm gonna post it so you guys can take notes and maybe follow along with me. I'm going to be showing you my workout routine, what I do weekly. I work out 5 days a week. I'm going to be taking you through that training. I'm going to be showing you what I meal prep. I'm going to be showing you what I eat every single day, 5 meals, the supplements I take, and pretty much that's it. Like, it's going to be really intense, but the results are going to be really intense too. So if you guys know, I had a baby 6 months ago. This is my second child. I did this diet the first time around when I had my first child, and it gave me, like I said, really intense results. I'm gonna post pictures so you guys can see before and after. I'm gonna show you so far what I've done. I have not done this diet yet in the 6 months. I was doing a different diet, and I was kind of just taking it slow and focusing on other things. But now I'm at a point where I'm like, okay, I want to just get rid of this final baby weight. I need to lose about 20 pounds. I started at 190. That was with baby. After I had the baby, I weighed 172, and right now I'm at 160. So my pre-baby weight was 140, 145. It fluctuated, but it was pretty much a lot of just muscle more than it was fat. I'm 5'4", so my comfortable weight is 145. When I look super lean, I'm pretty much 140, 139. But for me, I find it that's kind of hard to maintain because your girl likes to eat. I love to go out. I love to try new restaurants, and so for me, you know, that's my like free time. That's what I like to do. That's my date night. That's, you know, that's what makes me happy. So in these 21 days, I am not going to be having a cheat day. It's going to be straight 21 days of dieting. Each day is a different, like each 3 days is a different diet, and it fluctuates with carbs. Some days are just no carbs, some days are a little bit higher carbs, and so it's definitely gonna hit your mood. You get in a mood, I definitely do, when you take away sugar and salt, and you pretty much can't go out anywhere because restaurants are full of sugar and salt. So that's it. We'll see. Follow along. Okay guys, so to start, I want to show you a few pictures. The top left is pre-baby weight. The top right is what I looked like during pregnancy, and the bottom is to the left is when I started to work out, when I got the okay from the doctor, and then the right picture is a month's progress. So if you have an Apple Watch, it's a good tool to use to record your calories. I forgot to take a picture of the calories I burned during cardio, but after cardio, I set my watch to traditional strength training, and it basically records the calories that I'm burning. So now that I'm done with my workout, I'm going to take a tablespoon of L-carnitine. This is good for fat burning and metabolism. I take it right before my workout and right after. Okay guys, so this is a diet that I'm going to be following. It's plan A, plan B, and plan C. Basically what it is that I picked a protein and then I picked a fibrous carb or a complex carb depending on the day, and I just vary it. So according to plan A, I'm going to be having oatmeal. Everything I do, I measure it and I make sure that I'm having the exact amounts. This helps me when I go to put it into my fitness app. I want to make sure that I'm having the right amount of calories and everything adds up. I'm going to be adding, for flavor, some almond milk, some Splenda, and some cinnamon. The almond milk that I like to use is this one here, Almond Breeze. It's 30 calories, unsweetened, vanilla flavor. I used my measuring cup and measured 1 cup of almond milk. I'm going to be mixing this all together and microwaving it for 1 minute and 30 seconds. So now I'm going to take cinnamon. I'm going to add a little bit for flavor. Before I microwave everything, I'm going to also take stevia, and I'm going to use 1 packet. With my oatmeal, I'm going to be having 3 egg whites. I had already went ahead and boiled some eggs. I'm going to be removing the middle part and having just the egg white. After I had my breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and meal prep for the next 3 days. I'm going to boil chicken breast, and I'm going to make 3 cans of tuna. The tuna I will be having for lunch with a salad, and for dinner I'm going to be having the boiled chicken, which later I will go ahead and shred and saute with some onions. So here I'm going to be preparing my salad. I like to prepare everything and then put it in 3 separate containers so I have it ready when I go eat lunch, and this saves me time so I'm not constantly cooking and preparing things. For my salad, I like to add cherry tomatoes. I like to put in celery and anything else that gives it flavor. The only things that you cannot add to your salad is corn, carrots, and peas. These vegetables are not part of the diet. So here you can see that I took a scale and I'm going to weigh the chicken. I'm going to make sure that I have 6 ounces of cooked chicken, not raw. So I do this for all the meat that I consume. I just want to make sure that I have 6 ounces to hit my protein goal in every meal. This is how I like to eat my chicken. You can leave it shredded, but I like to go ahead and saute it, or you can do grilled chicken, whatever is your preference. Okay guys, let's get into it. I want to talk to you about the MyFitnessPal app. If you don't know, now you know. I am putting you on to this. You can record everything that you eat. You can even scan it. Here you can see I'm adding my breakfast. It has the measurements and it tells you exactly how many carbs, how many calories, how much protein you ate. I'm going to go ahead and add everything that I had for breakfast today. And I do this every single day with every single meal and anything that I eat. And it tells you basically how much calories you have left to eat in the day. And you can track your macros. You can find out if you've had enough protein, if you've had enough carbs based on your daily goals that you can go ahead and adjust in this app. You can record your weight, if you've lost weight, if you've gained weight. You can literally do absolutely everything in this app, and it is extremely helpful. Okay, so everything is logged, my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can see here the macros, the nutrients, and the calories that I've consumed today. At the end, I'm going to add the water to track my water and complete diary. And